In 2026, Central Florida will be impacted by iRISE Expo, Healing and Empowering Our City, a family event full of inspiration, connection, and growth. With live music, raffles, giveaways, and much more, iRISE Expo brings you more than 100 exhibitors with free services for our community. We will also have iRISE Kids and Youth Zone with free school supplies, community resources, art gallery, scholarship opportunities, and free haircuts for the whole family. And for our seniors, we will have iRISE Classic Zone with domino and pool tournaments and many surprises. Don't miss out. Saturday, July 18th, 2026. Starting at 12 noon at Osceola Heritage Park, 1901 Chief Osceola Trail in Kissimmee, Florida. For more information, call us at 407-486-8880. If you want to be a part of iRISE Expo as a sponsor, please call us at 407-486-8880. iRISE Expo 2026.